Back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good enchiladas. Very delicious, very cheesy, and I am excited about this. Okay, we got a good pound of meat here cooking. You just want to put 1 pound of lean meat. Kind of chop it up. I'll put some onions into this. Chopped up onions. Half of an onion. Okay, I want to put a little bit of mushrooms. I love mushrooms, and I feel like it'd go good with this. I want to put a little bit of seasoned salt in here to give it a little bit of flavor. That smells good. I want to use a little bit of chili powder, just a couple sprinkles, like that. Then I want to use the cumin. I mean, kind of hard to say that word like I'm trying to. Alright, put another there for now. Okay. Canola oil. About 1/4 cups of canola oil. And then we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of flour. And then we're going to get our whisk out here. Let's use this. Not the one I like to use, but anyway. That'd be pretty good right there. Okay, we're going to put in our chili powder. 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Okay, we're going to add in a cup of water. Followed by some onion or garlic mist, about a tablespoon. Okay, next we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of cumin. And then we're going to put in some garlic or some onion powder, a 1/2 teaspoon. I mean onion powder. Then we're going to put in our tomato paste with water. And then we're just going to whisk this up real good. Oh, this already smelling real good right here. Boy, it smells wonderful. Oh, that's real nice. And that's pretty much it right there. Okay, what you want to do is you want to take a flour shell. You want to dip it into the... Your hand's going to get a little messy, so you got to allow for that. Okay. You want to put a little bit of a hamburger onto the tortilla. And you want to take a little bit of cheese. Okay. After you do that right there, we're gonna fold this real good like. Very well. And then we're gonna place this right in here. We'll come back when we get finished with this. I want to put a little bit more hamburger on top of it. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. I like that. And then we're going to put a whole bunch of cheese on this. And we're going to put a little bit more cheese on there. When I say a little, I mean a lot. Okay, we're going to place that into an oven for 350 Fahrenheit until it's done. Look at that. Look at that. Just came out of the oven. Let's take a zoom in on this. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Boy, it's just a crying shame you can't smell that. That smells so good. We're going to let this cool down because it is piping hot. And I'm not dare going to take a bite of that until it's cooled down. But anyways, that smells wonderful. Look at that. Now, we're going to take some pieces off here. One. Look at that. Oh yeah. Right, look at that. Look at the beauty of that. Oh yeah. We're going to take a taste test on this in a minute. What I'll do is a taste test on this. I've already cut in a piece right here. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, it looks good. Mmm. Oh my god, that is good. Look at that. This is full of cheese. Goodness. Anyways, I hope you enjoy spending time with me and watching my videos. And do subscribe. If you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And I want y'all to have a blessing day. And leave a comment so I can know what you think about my recipes.